In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Jotform via email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab the right link for your form and share it confidently through any email service. First, log into your Jotform account using your usual credentials. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace or account if you have more than one. A stable connection helps here, especially if you manage many forms. Once you're in, head to My Forms. This is the dashboard that lists all the forms you've created or that have been shared with you. If you don't see a form at first glance, use the search bar or filters to locate it quickly. When you found the form you want to send, hover over it or click it to reveal its options. Next, click Share on that form. Depending on your view, this may also appear as Publish, but the idea is the same. You're opening the place where Jotform provides your live form link. The Share or Publish panel shows multiple ways to distribute your form, and the key item you want is the form URL. This is the link that opens the live version of your form for respondents. Now copy the form URL. Use the copy icon or keyboard shortcuts to ensure you grab the entire link. A quick tip, you're looking for the live form link, which typically includes Jotform's domain followed by a long numeric ID. Avoid copying an internal editor link or a preview URL from your browser's address bar while you're in the builder, as that won't be the link your recipients need. Before you paste it into an email, it's smart to test the link. Open a new browser tab, paste the URL, and confirm the form loads cleanly. If you see a sign-in prompt, that means the form may be set to private or restricted to certain users, and recipients could need access. If you want anyone with the link to fill it out, make sure your sharing setting supports that before you send. Testing saves you back and forth later. With the correct URL copied, you're ready to share. Paste the link into your email body, add a clear subject line, and include a brief note explaining what the form is for and any deadlines. Short, direct context helps recipients take action right away. That's all you need to send a Jotform via email. Log in, go to My Forms, click Share, and copy the form URL. Keep that link handy, test it once, and you'll be sending forms like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy sending!